guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, swinging through, and if you're already a supporter of mine, then thank you so much. You guys know that I appreciate you so much from the bottom of my heart. So today's video is actually my kind of favorite videos to watch. I love this online store called Boohoo. It's over in the UK, but they do deliver to the US, and they have all sizes. They have women's, men's, plus, regular size. I don't know if they have kids. I need to look into seeing if they have kids. And they're really trendy. Like, they have clothes that like the Kardashians will wear, but for super dirt cheap. So I always like to shop from there. So we do have a bag from Boohoo. And I hope you all had a great day today. What did I? Oh, I think I ordered shirts. Yeah, I think I ordered shirts from them. Maybe I ordered pants too. Do you guys see the receipt? I can't see the receipt. No, right? No receipt. Anyways, the good thing about Boohoo, even though they didn't send me a receipt that I can see, so Boohoo stuff usually fits really, really good. So I don't think we're going to have any issues. 1, 2, what do we have? 5. We have 5 things here. So let's go ahead and open the pink things first. What is this just a t-shirt? Oh my god, I thought they sent me the wrong size, guys. Okay, so I ordered everything in a US size 18, but the top does say UK 22 because it's over in the UK. Alright, so, oh, this is the shirt I really, really love. It actually looks pretty big for the size. So this is the first shirt that I ordered. It's just a hot pink t-shirt. It says doll. I think it's really cute. It'll go good paired with like a pair of jeans and flats and a cute purse. So that's the first thing. It doesn't tell me how much this one was. So I think the doll shirt was like $10. I don't think I paid that much for it. So this shirt is definitely my favorite shirt that I got. It says Girl Boss on it. It's a cute hot pink top. The Girl Boss shirt also you can wear like a pair of jeans or something like that. I'm just showing you guys what I got. I didn't know if you guys wanted to see an actual try on haul. So this is just a haul, but we'll keep going. Is this the trousers? Okay, so I bought a pair of skinny trousers, and I did go up one size in this, so they look just like this. It's really, honestly, it's really see-through. Like, you guys can probably see me through this, I feel like. It's very see-through. So, I'm not sure how I feel about that. These are the bottoms, and it's super stretchy, so you have a nice give to it. Okay, so those are the trousers, so these must be the leggings. Oh yeah, actually, I like the way the leggings feel over top of the trousers. Like, the leggings feel way softer. Oh my gosh, they feel comfy. They are pretty see-through. Oh my god. So they feel good, but I think that these are actually more see-through than the trousers. I don't know if you guys can see me. These are just the Sophie black legging. And I did go up one size also. But these feel like they're going to be so comfy. And then these are the bottoms, and they're also stretchy. I think that I'm going to be a little disappointed when I actually put those pants on, because both of those look like they are on the thin side. But I'm going to try to make it work. With those pants, you could do something like a long blazer, something to cover up your butt. Or if you want to show your butt, that's cool too. I'm just not for that. What is this? Oh, this is the butt part. Look, I was like, what? I didn't know what was going on. Oh, I think this is the favorite thing that I purchased. This is a floral bodysuit that I purchased. It looks just like that. It comes down in the front, really cute. And then these are actually long sleeves, but it cuts off. It's not all the way to the bottom. This shirt has really beautiful patterns. That's why I really wanted to pick this one up. So this one is definitely my favorite piece, I believe, out of all of the things that I got. I really like things like this. I love blouses. I love bodysuits. You know, bodysuits does the body good if you dress it right, I think. So, yes, I think that top would go good with like a nice black pencil skirt and a pair of like nude heels or black heels would do. Boohoo literally always has a sale, guys. So if you want to pick something up from Boohoo, do not think that it's like superly overpriced. Like, it's not fashion over prices. Some people think fashion over prices are not bad. And it probably isn't bad, honestly, but for the quality that you get, I don't think it's that great. For me personally, it just doesn't fit me right. But to each his own. I just prefer Boohoo and like Rainbow. Those are my zhush. So yeah, no hate, no shade. It's just my opinion. I do hope that you guys enjoyed this Boohoo haul. If you have any other video requests, then let me know in the comments down below so I can make it happen. I do hope that you guys enjoyed this Boohoo haul, and I will talk to you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye!